everybody, it's Danny from Jo Dan Buick GMC in Moosic, PA, serving all of Scranton, Wilkes-Barre area. We just had 3 brand new 20 Sierras come off the truck from Detroit. This one's an SLT, happens to be Onyx Black. So this is what they look like. They're in the wrapper when they come from Detroit. So we unwrapped them. One of these trucks could be yours. They had a escort coming to the dealership to make sure everything got here okay. These are beautiful, beautiful trucks. Like I said, this one's the SLT. It has the leather, the sunroof, and the 6.2 liter engine. In an SLT, yep, that's the way we ordered it. Usually come in Denali's, but this one we ordered with a 6.2. Off the truck, I just take a look at them, make sure everything is okay, that they have the floor mats, the antenna like you see me taking off before, both sets of keys, everything looks great on this one. General Motors has done a great job with this vehicle. So I constantly getting asked, Dan, do we have trucks? We have trucks. Over before we check it in, make sure that it doesn't have any dents or dings or scratches or anything like that. Checking the roof. Stop by, you need a truck? We have it. Lots of trucks. Big trucks, small trucks, long trucks, crew cabs, double cabs, diesels. You have what you need. Stop by, see us. Jo Dan Buick GMC. Experience, value, satisfaction.